How to create a group and send group emails in Outlook. So first you'll need to open up Outlook app or sign into your Outlook account through the browser. And you should start by clicking on People on the left-hand side menu. Now to create a group or contact lists, first go to your contact lists category and then click on Create Contact List. And then you can give it a name. So for example, test, and then give it a description if you want to. And then you can add recipients or contacts email addresses. So for example, you can add Gmail or whatever contact recipient email address. So for example, I added mine right here. Click on create. And that should create a contact list or group. And to manage this, you'll need to go to your contact list and then click on this edit button right here. And then you can manage adding or removing recipients. Now to send an email to a specific group or contact lists, you can basically hover over the contact list and then click on the email icon. And this should bring up a new window with the test group selected as the receiver. And then you can type your subject of the email and then type the content of your email. And then simply hit the send button. And everyone in this group or contact list should receive that email. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.